A well-connected nation is a prerequisite to a well-served nation. In a diverse country like India, digital connectivity is a great leveler. The central government has recognized the availability of high-speed internet as the core utility for the delivery of services to the citizens. Living up to the vision of Digital India, the government has integrated all 15 Kashmir Valley railway stations with the Wi-Fi network of Indian Railways. Appreciating the effort, Union Minister Piyush Goyal mentioned that Wi-Fi plays a significant role in connecting the people and in bridging the digital divide between the rural and urban India at a rapid pace. Indian Railways, in association with its RailTel Corporation of India Limited, is playing a key role in bringing high-speed Wi-Fi to every corner of the country. This move has cut across demographic and socio-economic segments and promoted ease of communication for the people of the valley. This public Wi-Fi has been provided under the brand name of RailWire and is available at 15 stations of Union Territory of Kashmir, which is spread out in 4 district headquarters. These 15 stations encompass Baramulla, Hamre, Patan, Majhom, Badgam, Srinagar, Pampore, Kakapura, Avantipura, Panjgam, Bijbehra, Anantnag, Sadura, Kajigund and Banihal. To provide public Wi-Fi at all the railway stations, public sector undertaking RailTel Corporation of India Limited has been entrusted by the Ministry of Railways, and it is worth noting that in the Union Territory of Jammu, Wi-Fi has already been made accessible at 15 railway stations. For the welfare of people, railway platforms are being transformed into platforms of digital inclusion. It is worth mentioning that currently the Wi-Fi network is spread over 6,000 railway stations across the country, and it has transformed into one of the largest integrated Wi-Fi networks in the world. Ranging from life-saving Oxygen Express to Wi-Fi network, Indian Railways has been playing a significant role in bridging the rural divide across the country. Indian Railways is working towards transforming all railway stations into a digital hub. Today, RailWire Wi-Fi is helping to connect the unconnected, as more than 5,000 stations of this public Wi-Fi network are located in rural India with low or poor connectivity. Wi-Fi at railway stations has been designed to offer users the best internet experience. It will be made available to any user who has a smartphone with a working mobile connection for KYC considerations. Access to Wi-Fi not only connects communities, but also opens up a world of opportunity for innovation and growth. Moreover, this year's World Wi-Fi Day celebration emphasized the need to accelerate access to affordable Wi-Fi to bridge the digital divide. With a vision to transform India into a digital economy, the central government has consistently focused on efforts that have led to a digitally empowered society and knowledge economy. We will be back with some more updates. Thanks for watching.